Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen and Clarence. We try Indian food. Let's get into it. This should be hilarious because you know Claire does not like spicy food. I don't know. I don't really eat it just because I'm not really a spicy person either. But yeah, Claire's in for it. Let's get into it.
Cause
don't start. I feel like I'm at my Indian neighbor's backyard and they throwing like a barbecue.
We do got Indian neighbors.
We gotta go to India.
Babe, chill out.
You like it?
You don't like it?
As y'all already can see from the title.
CJ's face. You know the worst part is I ain't even like Claire. I'm more like CJ. Like I don't like trying new stuff. I'm real bad. I'm like a 3-year-old.
We're trying Indian food today. Me and CJ's trying some Indian food.
Wait, what about me?
Queen's not here today. It's me and you today.
I am here.
This is fresh off the press. Just got back. I can't read that.
BHU.
Medium. Oh, this is I don't know.
Look at CJ face.
He say this is I don't know. It's gonna be good, y'all. They got the packaging good, and the good thing is they probably got a variety of different things. So it's probably gonna be at least 1 or 2 things that you like. Try something different. I need to expand my horizons, like I said, so I'm gonna try some too. I'm gonna go find a place.
I don't like the
Bro, I don't be liking the smell of you. Boy?
That's why I farted in the car. Stop.
You farted in a Corvette when I picked you up?
Yeah.
That's fake,
Alright.
baby.
First impression, I already smell it.
Smells good. I'm actually very hungry. Sorry for cutting you off.
You find the aroma is very different for me. Very strong. You can taste a lot of different spices and spices that I don't have in my seasoning cabinet for sure.
I'm excited. Our last food tasting didn't really go that well, but
I will say that wherever they got it from, they definitely put a lot of saran wrap on there to keep the flavor in, to keep it warm. Okay.
I think I want to give the fufu another try because I think it's the place we went to. A lot of my friends that are very picky said it was good too. So maybe it's like the place you get it from. But Indian food,
A lot of people have said that Indian food is good though. So.
I heard Indian food is the best food.
Food? Indian food.
I heard it's the best food. I'm gonna try to find everything that I ordered. I wrote everything I ordered down. So
that's
this is
the basmati rice.
Basmati rice. If I'm not saying it right, please don't come at me.
I heard that's good.
Comment section. I'm new to this. Is my first time trying Indian food. So I also ordered
looks like samosas right
samosas. 2 things of those.
They look pretty good.
Samosas. This is butter chicken.
Oh, it looked like soup.
Yeah, this is.
I heard the butter chicken's good too.
Butter chicken right here.
Fun fact: Clarence had butter chicken from Trader Joe's in the fridge for about
3
months and never ate it. Every time he would get hungry at night and order food, I'll be like, babe, you don't want that butter chicken? He'd be like, no. So this is his official time trying the butter chicken.
So it's steaming hot, y'all. Oh my lord. Oh lord.
Is it just butter and chicken together?
That's that butter chicken, y'all. That butter chicken. So that's like I guess there's chicken in there and like sauce.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh, dude, see? I told you. Thank you. Okay, so that is the tandoori chicken.
What the?
That's tandoori chicken right there, I think. If I'm getting it again, if I'm getting it wrong.
What it look like to you?
What?
That's some seasoning, boy. That look good. It turned red. It's full of flavor.
It's so red.
It might be the seasoning.
Yeah, it's the seasoning. They got different spices.
It smells like cow meat.
This is the chicken tikka masala. Okay?
Chicken tikka masala.
Tikka masala is good too.
Chicken tikka masala.
That's not like a cute name.
If y'all know, y'all go ahead. Go ahead and name your kid Tikka, girl. Get you a daughter named Tikka Masala.
Tikka masala. Literally, the sauce is burning my cut.
This is the chicken tikka masala. I heard Indian food is real spicy, so I got everything medium spicy. Maybe I should have, I don't know.
Oh, maybe we should have got it mild. It was mild.
No, that's good though. I'm glad he at least put it down a little bit so you can actually see if you like it, Claire. That was smart.
Medium, isn't it medium mild? That's the same thing.
Mild is medium. I mean, mild is mild, medium is medium.
Last but not least, I heard you have to go garlic naan. I don't know if I'm saying it right.
Oh, no, that looks good.
I need to really try some. I heard all this stuff, ain't tried it, none of it. Y'all comment below if y'all know how it tastes, if y'all have a preference.
Garlic naan.
Garlic naan.
Ooh. That's like, I know you don't like that.
Yeah. I love garlic. I'm a garlic girl. All right, I won't lie, I'm a bit excited.
Let me get one of these naans.
I will take a naan too.
Let me taste this real. Let's start with the drink. It looked like it was kind of like a smoothie texture. Mango lassi. Am I saying that right, y'all? Mango. Hold on, let me.
I haven't heard of that one.
No, it's real thick. It's real thick. I think it's like.
How you feel about the flavor?
It's like mango. But you could tell they put like maybe like a milk. I hope it's not whole milk. My stomach gonna be
like a creamsicle or something.
But it's not bad though. All right, so put a little rice, a little basmati. I think we're gonna turn into a little food
reviewers.
We're definitely gonna bring more food content to the joint. I think we should try these things first. These.
What?
Let's try these. And I heard this sauce. It's like a paste, like a mango. I think mango chutney paste.
Huh?
Is he Indian?
Yeah, he Indian. CJ.
This one, you're gonna like this one. This one like a basil pesto.
That smells good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, we gotta say a little prayer. Hold on.
Yeah. Oh my God. Well,
It's what you just said. Oh my God.
you like it? I
Not
like it.
bad. It has some sort of what is
I can tell he liked it.
in there? Is that potato?
Potato and peas. I love it. I can eat this all day. Let's try a little bit of. Now let me pour it. Like, what would you rate it?
That sauce good on it? I'm gonna rate this.
I'm fucking with that. Definitely get some water. Oh, spicy.
A 6.5, 7.
What?
Because the flavor is good, but the texture. Oh, babe, cute. I got it.
What?
I got it. That like.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. Clare with the jug of water already. Bruh, just eat it without the sauce, poo. This is your petty fan speaking, boo. Don't eat it with the sauce. Even though the sauce it look good, it smell good. He was fine with the rice and peas before this happened with the sauce, boy. If you can't handle the green, you can't handle the red, boo-boo. I'm just letting you know. I'm letting you know. Hey, also, like, comment, subscribe, as always. Love you, petty fam. Love you dearly. But, if y'all want, like, if you want me to shout y'all out or something, just, hit me in the comment or something. I'll be happy to shout whoever out. But hello to Marie Tucker and also to my girl MH. What's up? And anybody else who want to shout out, let me know. Love y'all.
Oh!
Can you bring some ice?
Oh!
What?
He need water and ice, y'all. Can't take it. I didn't know I'd be laughing. I did not know this was gonna be hilarious. Like I said, they did tell me hilarious. I should have known. We ain't even halfway done. We 6 minutes in.
I just hit my hand. I would definitely rate this a 6.
Is she okay? I guess.
0.57 because the flavor is good, but It's the texture on the inside that's a little mushy for me.
At least he love her enough to share the ice cubes. That's all I gotta say. Cause you know she just gonna eat the ice cube. Claire gonna have like he gonna put some water in the ice cube. He know it's coming.
I'll give it. Let me try one more time. I will give it.
Why he eat like this? Can't take it.
Like an 8.
I feel like you gotta be in a certain kind of mood.
You know what it is? I'm Spanish. Kind of reminds me of an empanada. You know what I mean? So I'm very familiar. I'm gonna try the butter chicken first.
You had to put all that ice water, but okay.
Man, that's a 9. Oh.
No, but you gotta dip. You gotta dip everything. You
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can't just play with it.
I want to put on my rice.
Y'all, petty fam. You know, Claire. Queen also petty fan, by the way. You know, we love Queen. She petty too sometimes. But, you know, Claire, we be here with the petty sometimes, okay? So I'm going to tell y'all, can we please say a very quick 1-second prayer for him? Because he dipping. Like, boo, you got to taste it first, right? Taste it. You ain't tasted the red one yet, honey. You ain't tasted yet. You do a little sample dip. Get it on the end and taste it. Instead of he got it devouring the thing.
Can't just play with it like that.
That's the butter chicken, you sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it with my rice.
Yeah.
Okay, he like butter chicken. My bad. Okay, clear.
You know me, I be smacking. You know what I mean? Like I get into it.
That was good. What do you rate it?
I give it like a 7.5.
Nah, that's an 8 because you up here.
7.5.
7.5 for me too. I was gonna say 8, but 7.5 is closer. But you also did try it with the naan too, so.
You didn't try it with the naan yet?
No.
Nah, but you gotta dip it, babe.
Okay.
Dip that, baby.
Oh, my naan is burnt in the back. The naan is good.
Queen and I are concerned. Are you okay? Claire, speak to us.
You really basking in that flavor, like. What you give that?
He's really an official taste system. Okay.
I knew what was in here. Like, you know what I mean? It's throwing me off. I think it's like, I'll have to look it up. I knew it. Mango Lassi is a delicious, creamy drink with mango, yogurt, milk, a little sugar, and sprinkling of cardamom.
Cardamom?
It's cool and
Cardamom's good for you.
refreshing on a hot day. So yeah, it's milk and yogurt. I could taste it's like thick.
I don't really like those things together. Or
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be
At
like
all.
a mango juice.
Slush.
I asked for juice. I get that like a 5.
I ain't really messing with it. I'll give it like a 3. I like more fruity things.
Try this one.
Let me smell this one again.
That's the chicken tikka masala.
What is
Tikka masala. Ooh, I gotta try that. I'm ordering that, y'all.
the difference? It seemed like they gave us both the same thing.
They have different things on.
All right, I'll just go ahead and dip. Stop being scared. I'm messing with that flavor more. It's closer to home for me. This, I can give it a 8.5.
That one's a little spicy.
I like this one. I'm messing with this one.
You gotta get more than butter chicken?
First of all, butter chicken, it don't sound that appealing to me. If it was garlic butter chicken, it would make a difference. But just butter, chicken, those two words together.
I like butter. I like chicken.
It always got to be something with the butter, you know? Apple butter, garlic
Rice
butter.
on there.
I'm with you. He like what he like. He like what he like.
Rice on that thing. Woo! I'm messing with this though. Shout out to all my Indian people out there. Yeah. Why y'all was hiding this from me?
I don't think
He said, shout out. He said, hey, Petty fan, why y'all hiding stuff from people? I gotta try it.
that's hiding it.
Well, 9. Bon appetit. I feel like you gotta eat with your hands with this. Like, I want to just.
The flavors are very intimidating for me. I'm a very mild girl. These are very bold flavors.
Sometimes you gotta be bold.
I predicted that wrong then. Okay, so Queen is more mild like I am. Okay. She drank all that water. She said enough. It's enough with these flavors.
What?
I'm pretty sure, like, your culture's food is very bold.
I know, but I don't really eat my culture's food unless it's like something common there, like kava.
This is bussin'. I'm not gonna lie.
Ooh, you know what we should do? We could have compared Arabic food to Indian food. Arab food to Indian food.
We gotta try
Have you had?
Arab food first.
Maybe we gotta try the real Arab food though.
Yeah, that's not a kava. Yeah, probably is not one kava in Yemen.
No, it's not. But I'm just saying, like, it's Mediterranean.
Your food is not Mediterranean. Y'all probably got your own.
No, Arab food is
It's
Mediterranean
probably,
food.
but it's probably Yemenese food though.
Oh.
All right, so
I'm sorry. Claire, leave her alone. She want to have kava when y'all got the other food. Let her have it. She got to have something to base her thing off of.
we're gonna try this. What's this again? Tandoori chicken. Look at that thing. Look. That shit red. That shit throwing up.
1, 2.
This was done on the grill for sure.
3.
That might be the best yet.
Wow.
That might be the best kept secret right there. I feel like I'm at my Indian neighbor's backyard. And they throwing like a barbecue.
We do got Indian neighbors.
CJ, you wanna try come on.
Wanna try? Come on.
Let's do it! Let's do it!
Pretty good.
CJ.
CJ, you even take the chicken. Bite into that thing.
The big bite?
Bite into that thing. That chicken right there. Bite that chicken right there.
Okay.
Huh?
You like it?
You don't like it?
I'm gonna figure it out.
Go ahead. Dramatic.
This kid's is spoiled, man.
But to be honest, it's very bold for him. Like, he's not used to that. He's not even really used to.
He's a bold kid.
Yeah,
The crazy thing is, I'm usually the most pickiest person here.
Thank you. That's what I thought. But I'm proud of you, Claire. Okay, Petty fam. He doing it. He eat everything. He loving everything. He give everything a fair shot. I apologize, Claire. I'm sorry. I am sorry, Claire.
Yeah.
That's garlic bread. Want some water?
You like that one?
You like the bread?
Yeah.
Want some more? Or no?
Legend, go to the potty. CJ, take me to the potty.
Let me see how it goes. That's a lemon? Oh. Why are you supposed to?
That's me. I find a lemon, our little squirt lemon on stuff. It be bringing out some flavor.
The foodie for real.
You gotta throw that lemon on there.
I wonder what part of the chicken this is, because...
Man,
baby.
don't start.
No, I'm sorry.
I don't don't want to think
This
about
one,
that.
this one.
No, we don't want to think about that. Queen, we don't want to know what that is. You just eat it.
I don't want to think about that though. Let's just enjoy it.
Now she can't stop thinking about it. She gonna say something else. Look at her face.
What?
You eating chicken, Nick. Chicken Adam's apple. Okay.
That's lemon. That lemon go crazy. You want to try this butter chicken?
I did.
No, you tried that chicken. You don't try this butter chicken.
Butter chicken. That's too spicy.
This is butter chicken.
That's tikka
I
masala.
haven't tried this little sauce.
Ooh, what's
That's how
that?
it look. Want to smell it?
What's that?
Samosa.
What's that stuff inside there?
Potatoes and peas.
Okay.
Oh, CJ, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's like I'm looking in the mirror. Don't be like me, CJ. Please just try it. It's good. It's good. I promise it's good.
I'm not sure about the flavor on this one. Try that.
I'm sorry.
Do you like it?
He said if you're not sure what I'm going to eat it for.
Can you pour me some more water?
Do you like it?
Why you on my face like that?
Do you like it?
I love it. I'm Indian.
It's making my
You're
arm weak.
Indian?
I think so. I might be
Why
Indian.
do this? Do this. Put your arm.
No, CJ, come on. I'm trying to do a video.
This looks like a thigh.
What's a thigh?
That's why it's extra tender.
Is this a thigh? What?
Why you
Why
laughing?
you laugh too loud?
Ain't gonna tell your mama she laughed too loud. She happy. You being silly, she laughed at you.
This family is obviously weird. We're weird.
You too. Right?
CJ, go sit down. Go sit down. All right, I think I had enough.
I haven't had enough, y'all. I'm in here like swimming. We gotta go to India.
Babe, chill out.
I think.
You keep trying to get that India trip. Okay, you gonna see Claire come back with some tattoos and stuff.
Chill out.
I think we'll like it.
India would be...
That would be cool. Y'all gotta chill. You gotta fix the house first, bro.
nice. Bro, I want to get some on my eyes so bad, but this spice...
Yeah, we gotta go to India, y'all.
Don't do it, girl. Don't get with your finger in your eye after you had that spice. You ain't gonna never get it out. That'd be cool. Y'all want them to go to India? I think that'd be a nice trip.
All my Indian supporters, hit me up.
Yeah, do we got any Indian supporters?
Of course. Indians love us.
Of course.
How we know?
I don't know.
Cause everybody love y'all.
If you Indian at all,
If I was in
comment below and tell us something that we didn't try that we need to try.
No.
All the Indians out there. Bro, I'm sorry.
You like the way you say it, like.
All the Indians. You're a very observant guy.
Cause it's all covered in sauce. Like, you don't know what's under there.
It could have eyes.
Babe, why do you...
Why she messing with him? You gonna mess the whole experience up for him. Don't tell him nothing got no eyes in there.
You just
Yeah,
need to
I'm
say stuff that's like really
I
nasty.
said it could have eyes.
You think I want to think about eating the eyes?
Hey, what if you took it off? It was like,
Yeah, I would be thrown off. I'd like go up. Like, you
What?
know I would.
Go throw up?
Yeah.
I see you.
I know he would too. Leave him alone. He enjoying his food, Queen. Now she being petty. Queen petty film today, y'all.
I'm a big thinker. Now, once you
know.
say stuff, I'm thinking about.
Yo, I've been winded.
Right.
I know this food about to make me extra winded though.
I'm winded all day. Mama, you know,
What?
early on, that's why I was gonna go upstairs and like shower. You know how it took mad long?
You went to sleep?
Bro, I fell asleep. I turned the shower on. I was waiting for it to get like nice and steamy and warm. Next thing you know, I'm butt naked and just sleep on the bed.
That's a sight to see.
I was just tired, bro. Like, our sleep schedule so...
We've been staying until 5 more. I am so tired, babe. Let's try to go to sleep early tonight. At least at
grinding.
12.
Grinding.
Well,
Not after eating that.
I need to be able to function.
Nah, you're right. I need sleep too.
Jeez, oh, Pete.
Let's watch a movie and go to sleep.
You know we ain't watching no movie.
Why you laughing?
Cause you got an Indian arm.
All right, y'all. So that's us trying Indian food. I'ma rate everything. I'll rate everything together. I'll probably rate like an 8.5. I really enjoyed it. Like, I would definitely get it again. Again, like Queen said, if there's anything that we missed, like, or something we have to try, please leave that in the comment section.
Our camera turned, bro. I feel like I don't know if it's. Am I like? Can y'all see me? Am I?
You look a little pale.
Well,
No offense.
no, it's fine. I don't have on any makeup at all, and I kind of lounged around the house. I never really got dressed up.
You ever seen Twilight?
Yeah.
You give me like
I got the blood sucked out of me.
big Twilight, yeah.
Yeah, y'all. I need to go get my spray tan back. So, no, if I look ran down, it's because I feel ran down, y'all. So, please excuse me.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, we've been grinding.
He don't look ran down. It's me, but.
What?
You know, babe.
I hope she's taking her iron pills, y'all.
I know maybe to you do, but
I
to
need
me.
a haircut.
To me, you look handsome. But.
My mustache hair, sometimes when I eat,
You taste the mustache?
I'm eating my mustache and beard too. Like, that's nasty. Like, I need to get a haircut.
Man, I need to get my eyebrows done. My feet and my nails need to be redone. I do need a reboot.
I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow.
I'm not gonna lie. Like,
I need to
I'm
get my
tired. It's bags on my eyes. Like,
I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow.
yeah, I'm just tired.
That's that garbage over there. You never rated it though.
Oh, that's what I meant to say. I would rate as a whole. I'm gonna rate this a 6. Like a 6.3. It's not that it's just not my.
She don't like it.
I'm blurry.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So
Yeah.
sorry. Anyway, I rate this a 6.5 because of my reaction. I didn't like rave over it, you know?
You don't want to go to India.
I
Guess I'm going to India by myself.
No, I'll go with
She don't want to go.
All my Indian supporters, hit me up, man.
It's just so bold. I'm a mild person.
Hit me up. I'm there.
You would fit right in.
See, now that's
No, you would.
that's
not bad. No, I'm sleepy. I'm about to go to sleep. And should I get my lashes back? What y'all think?
I think so, but thank y'all for recording even though y'all tired.
It's been a minute. But then again, I don't know. I like the look. With mascara on. This is without mascara. Alright guys, we are going to go ahead and end this out. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Enjoyed and appreciate it, girl. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Love y'all.